Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the custom abstract user customization, the user customization in Django. Today we will be talking how to create a custom user model the way you are seeing here. We'll talk about that in a nutshell. Here is a class where we extract the abstract user and extend that class. We add further required properties like is voter, is admin, is candidate, profile picture, address, phone number, date of birth, gender, CNIC, national ID number. So these kind of fields we added to the abstract user by creating a custom user model. We'll also talk about how to save the profile pictures into the profile modifications. So when we create a Django application, so in this tutorial we'll see this abstract user class. This is a built-in class which is further extended from the abstract base user class. And in the abstract base user class, which is derived from the model, and that model simply have a password and a field last login, and one more field is active, and the required field as an array. So this is a simple base abstract user model class, and the abstract user is derived from that abstract user. So we have further fields like username validator and a username field. This username field is a character field, and the maximum length of the username is 150 characters, and it should be unique. And the help text is where you provide the field what it should be, and it says that it required 150 character or fewer letters, digits, and these fields only. There is another validator which will validate that this username is a valid username, and if something goes wrong, there is a built-in error message which says that a user with that username already exists. So if the unique constraint fails, it says that a username with this name is already exist. Further, we have these fields: first name and last name, and an email address. And there is another fields available like is staff, is active, and these fields will tell if something is a super user or staff member, or if the user is active or not. And the default is true, so whenever a new user is created, is by default is an active user. Further, we have a date join field. It will indicate when a user joins our website. Then we have a user manager object, and the email field, username field are required fields. So then we have a meta class which will handle some and a clean function and a full name helping function, which will give a first name and last name and gives a full name and a short name, email user. And then we have a user class which is derived from the abstract class. So similar way we'll creating our own custom user model. And what we are extending the abstract user class, and we'll have all the fields in the abstract user, but we add further required fields like a profile picture. When we say profile picture, we'll tell the models.image field and upload to, and in the upload to will provide a folder name. It will be automatically created in the root level, but if you provide your upload folder direction in the apps setting menu, just the way, let me open my settings.py file. in my project, this will indicate that where my static media would be, and media folder like this. So inside the media folder the profile pictures will be located, and if the media folder is not indicated in the settings.py file, then the root level profile picture folder would be created and the profile picture would be stored there. And how to indicate that the media folder, all we have to do is to go to our settings.py file, and here first we just the way we indicate the static URL is static folder and the static files directory is base directory / statics. So this way it will treat the static file into from this folder. And similarly we have to define a media file just the way this. So all we have to do is to provide a media URL and the folder name, and the media root would be os.path.join base directory and media. So this will treat the media root folder. So all the media that you mention in your project would go to this media root folder. So that's how when we run this model it will be loaded like this. And if we log out, I created a custom login page, and inside, like I try to log in, it will take me to the dashboard, and in the profile I can change my profile settings and the provided picture. So for example, if I choose another picture from my directory, it would be changed and the profile image is uploaded in my media directory under the profile picture. Here you can see the picture is uploaded to the server. So that's how our custom user model and the user customization works in a Django. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment.